Hello, everybody. This is Ryan, and welcome to week 6. I hope everything's going well for you. This was a big day for me. We finally had a graduation for my oldest daughter today. It's been about a month since she's graduated, and they just had it today, and they did a walkthrough, drive-through type of a graduation, and it was really cool. So it's been an exciting Sunday for me. I wanted to follow up a little bit about my last video, the last announcement. I talked a little about late work. I've been advised by Auto University that they expect you to stay on track. Therefore, I'm not able to accept late work that's more than a week past due. With that being said, there are exceptions to that rule, and I'll be more than happy to work with you. Just let me know up front, and I'll discuss it with you. We'll talk about it, and we'll figure out a plan. So, again, I can't accept late work more than a week old. If you have a problem or need some additional assistance, please let me know, and we can talk through it. Last week we did some work on linear regression. This week we're going to work on multiple regression. Last week I also talked a little bit about how I use and how my daughter uses regression, particularly linear regression, on her bow for her sight tape. In the past I've done a little bit of work with multiple regressions. I used to help a guy who did drag racing, and I did some multiple regression on his car data. Drag racers collect tons of data. And they keep it in books, and they use it to try to predict how they need to set their car up to go the next round, the time they want to get. There's many factors like wind, temperature, wind direction. They put settings in their car. They put delays in their cars, and all those things are variables that we can use to predict the ET of the car. So there's lots of great applications in this section, and I really like this kind of stuff. So this week you're going to look at how matrices are used to fit data linear models, how to predict a particular value of y using multiple regression, concepts regarding design and experiments, and matched pairs, and some concepts related to elementary experimental design. This should be a really exciting week. I hope you're going to enjoy it. A couple of things: you have some reading to do. You have week 6 problems. You have the discussion boards again. I appreciate your hard work on those. Again, make sure that when you make your initial post, make it deep, make it more than a few sentences. It should be more like a couple paragraphs. Also, make sure you're citing your sources. If you take it out of the book, cite it. If you get it off the internet, cite it. If you get it out of a magazine, cite the magazine you're using. That way other people can go back and look at your sources. And one last thing I do want to mention, looking forward to week 8, we will have a final problem set. So you're going to need to make sure that you allow some time to get that done. Again, this is Ryan, and I'm really happy to be working with you. I hope you have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.